Imagine you've just discovered a hidden treasure chest full of gold coins. You're excited, exhilarated, but you're not sure what to do with it. That's kind of how it feels when you first buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. You're sitting there, staring at your balance, thinking, okay, now what? Today, we're going to answer a question that's been on the minds of many new Bitcoin owners. Can I send Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet? The answer is a resounding yes. But before we dive into the how-to, let's understand why you might want to do this. Reasons to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet. Security. Coinbase is a great platform, but like any centralized exchange, it's vulnerable to hacks. By moving your Bitcoin to a cold wallet, you're essentially locking it away in a digital safe, making it much harder for hackers to access. Privacy. Coinbase tracks your transactions. If you value your privacy, a non-custodial wallet gives you more control over your Bitcoin. Flexibility. A non-custodial wallet offers more flexibility. You can interact with decentralized applications, dApps, participate in airdrops, and more. Choosing the right wallet. Now that we know why you might want to send your Bitcoin, let's talk about choosing the right wallet. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets, like Coinbase, are connected to the internet. They're convenient but less secure. Cold wallets, like hardware wallets or paper wallets, are offline. They're more secure but less convenient. If you're looking for maximum security, a cold wallet is the way to go. If you need convenience, a hot wallet might be a better option. Sending Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet. Now, let's get to the fun part, sending your Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Coinbase account. Navigate to your Wallet tab. Select Bitcoin. Click on the Send button. Enter the address of the wallet you want to send Bitcoin to. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Review the transaction details. Click Send to confirm. Once you've set your Bitcoin, it will typically take a few minutes to confirm on the blockchain. Double-check the address. A small typo in the address can result in your Bitcoin being lost forever. Use a strong password. Protect your Coinbase account with a strong password to prevent unauthorized access. Consider a cold wallet. If you're serious about Bitcoin, investing in a cold wallet is a wise decision. Sending Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet is a simple process that can significantly enhance your security and privacy. By understanding the different types of wallets and following the steps outlined in this video, you can safely and easily move your Bitcoin to a more secure location. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.